Do you struggle with meal prep? Are you tired of scrambling to cook meals every day? Meal prep can be daunting, with common challenges like not having enough time, being unsure of what to prepare, or finding yourself without the right ingredients. Yet, the advantages are numerous. It saves time and money, reduces stress, and paves the way for a balanced diet. So, the question arises, what if there was a way to make meal prep easier, more efficient, and even enjoyable? Introducing a step-by-step guide to mastering meal prep and transforming your week with nutrient-packed, time-saving meals. Let's start with the basics. Planning meals for the week. This is the foundation of your meal prep mastery. Consider your schedule, preferences, and nutritional needs. You don't have to create fancy, gourmet meals every day. Simple, nutritious, and delicious is the way to go. To make this step easier, use meal planning apps, or just keep a notebook handy to jot down your ideas. Next, create your shopping list. This is where you transform your meal plan into tangible ingredients. Organize your list by food categories for efficiency. A tip here is to stick to the perimeter of the grocery store where you'll find the freshest and most nutritious foods. Now, it's time to shop for your ingredients. Be smart about it. Opt for seasonal produce, bulk purchases, and store brands where possible, to save money without compromising on quality. Remember, the more colorful your cart, the more balanced your meals. Once you've got your ingredients, it's time to cook. Prepare and cook your meals in batches. This means cooking large quantities of a few dishes that can easily be portioned and stored. To make this step more efficient, multitask. For instance, while your grains are simmering, chop your veggies. And don't forget to have fun with it. Crank up your favorite tunes and enjoy the process. The next step is storing your meals. Invest in good quality containers that are both microwave and dishwasher safe. Portion out your meals and ensure they're sealed properly to maintain freshness. Remember, proper storage is key to maximizing the shelf life of your meals. Finally, it's time to reheat and enjoy your meals. Be mindful of the best reheating methods for different foods to maintain their taste and texture. For instance, grains and proteins do well in the microwave, while veggies are best reheated on the stove. And there you have it, a week's worth of meals ready to go in just a couple of hours. But what about those pesky meal prep obstacles that seem to always get in the way? It's a valid question, and one that we're going to tackle head-on. One common barrier is the lack of variety. It's easy to get bored with your meals when you're eating the same thing day in and day out. But here's a little secret. Spices are your best friend. Experimenting with different spice combinations can completely transform a dish, keeping your taste buds excited and your meals diverse. Next, there's the issue of food going bad. Luckily, there's a simple solution: freezer-friendly meals. By prepping meals that can be frozen and reheated, you can extend the shelf life of your food and reduce waste. Finally, let's talk about storage. If you're serious about meal prep, it's worth investing in good quality food storage containers. They'll keep your food fresh, make portion control easier, and save you a lot of fridge space. With these tips, you'll be able to overcome any meal prep obstacle that comes your way. So, to quickly recap what we've covered today on mastering meal prep, we've revealed the immense benefits of meal preparation, from saving time to promoting healthier eating habits. We've walked you through a step-by-step guide to master meal prep, making it a breeze even for beginners. And we've shared tips to overcome common meal prep hurdles, ensuring your journey is as smooth as can be. Mastering meal prep is not just about cooking meals in advance, it's about transforming your week with nutrient-packed, time-saving meals. Start your meal prep journey today.